Hello friends. So I am here with a new topic related with farm machinery and power. So your GATE 2025 examination is real. So I thought to make one video which will benefit you. So let's start a topic which is chaff cutter. Okay. So this is about me. And now what is a chaff cutter machine? So chaff cutter is a machine which is used to cut the paddy straw after harvesting. So once your paddy is harvested, this machine here, this is used to cut this paddy straw into small pieces. That pieces are known as the chaff. So here in this machine you can see this is the input section. So from here you will input your chaff. Okay, and this machine will be operated with the help of tractor PTO from this side. This is the input side. Okay, from this PTO input this pulley will be operated and the entire machine will run. So in the chaff cutter machine there are two very important topics, that is, one is theoretical length of cut, means how, means what should be the theoretical length this machine should cut of the chaff, मीन्स जो पैडी स्ट्रॉ इस मशीन में इनपुट होगी थियोरेटिकली इस मशीन को उसको कितनी लेंथ में काटना चाहिए, मीन्स व्हाट शुड बी द साइज इन और सेंटीमीटर. एंड वन इज थियोरेटिकल कैपेसिटी ऑफ द चाफ कटर मशीन, मीन्स व्हाट शुड बी द theoretical input of this machine so that it should function smoothly in kg per hour. So let's see what is the trend of this topic in the previous year. So there was no question in the year 2021 and 2022, but there were questions in these 3 years, and that too of the 2 marks each. And I am going to show how you will solve these 3 questions, and you will realize that this topic is easy and you should not leave this type of question in your examination. That's why I came up with this video. Okay, so let's start. See, this is one question of 2020. This is a question of 2020. What this question is asking? This is asking about theoretical length of cut. I am not going to show you all the theoretical concepts like what is feed roll, what is the diameter of feed roll. You can study those simple things from your self study in the Lakshmikant book. I am just showing you how to approach the numerical questions. So you kindly pause the video and read the question first. So what it is asking? It is asking the theoretical length of cut in millimeter. Okay, up to 2 decimal point. So how you will solve this question? You see here it has shown what is the input RPM. Okay, and what is the reduction which is going to the main shaft, and what is the reduction it is going to the feed shaft or the main shaft. So you need to understand the mechanism of this chaff cutter. Here once the power comes from the PTO, it goes to the main shaft on which flywheel is mounted, and on the flywheel some blades are mounted which are used to cut the chaff. Okay, and from here this side this feed roller is there inside. Through that feed roller that chaff that straw goes inside, and by the blades that straws are being cut into the chaff. Okay, so power blades are mounted on the flywheel and the feed roller are used to feed the chaff. So these are the main mechanism. It is asking, this question is asking about the theoretical length of cut. So one simple formula is there of the theoretical length of cut, that is pi d n divided by n into n dash. So what is d? This is the diameter of feed roll. Whether this is given in not in the question, yes, it is given as 10 centimeter. You need to convert into mm. What is this n? N is the RPM of feed roller. Okay, what is this n? This is number of blade, and this n is the revolution of the flywheel. So input RPM is given. What is the reduction? That is also given. The feed roller, what is the reduction? This is also given. So how you will solve? All the data are simply given. You can put all the data here. So this I have put on. This is the put in. Pi is 3.14. This is 100 diameter. See, this 440 is input RPM, and this 60 is one reduction is 4 and other reduction is 15. So 15 into 4 equal to 60. And what is the revolution of the flywheel? That is, input RPM is 1440 divided by 4, because this RPM is going to reduce by the 4 raised to 1 to the main shaft. Main shaft means on this main shaft only flywheel is the mounted, and on the flywheel that cutting blades are mounted. Okay, so once you will solve this equation simply, you will get the answer. So once you will solve, you will get the 10.45, and the answer for this question is, this is the range 10.40 to 10.60. So you got your answer. So you saw how simple is the question. Now let's move to the other question, that is last year 2024. So this, what is it asking? Once you read the question, you just go to the unit. What unit it is asking? So it is asking about theoretical capacity. I told you two major concept is, one is theoretical capacity and one is theoretical length of cut. So this formula is simple. You need to multiply by the all these units which I am going to show. You need to multiply, and once you multiply, why this 1000 is divided? Because it is asking in ton, and here what it is shown, it is kg per meter cube, and you need in ton, so you divided by 1000. So this is the all data is given. There's throat width is given, throat height is given. What is the throat clearance? Throat is the distance between two rollers, that these two rollers are, if these two rollers are given, from this clearance only chaff is going to pass, that is straw is going to pass, and once it goes through this distance, the blades which is mounted on the flywheel, that cuts this chaff. Okay, but what you can ask, what is the use of this 20? There is no use. So certain, this is the pattern of GATE examination, where you will get many data and you have to pick what is your what data is of usefulness. So if this RPM is given is 540, that's why we have multiplied it by 60, so as to convert this minute into hours. So keep close eye on the units. So what will be the answer? 5.25. Once you will solve this equation, you will get 5.25. So you can see how easily is the question. Now see the this question. This question is of which year? This is the GATE 2023 question. It is asking requirement in kilowatt. So what I told you, just need to see the first the units. So kilowatt means this is Newton meter per second. That is nothing but the joule. Okay, and what is kilowatt? Newton meter per second, that will complete as the watt, and for kilowatt you need to divide it by 1000. Okay, so it is asking about the total shaft power. Okay. Now how you will calculate using this equation? Shaft power is in kilowatt. So what you are cutting through this machine, you are cutting this maize stalk, and what is the diameter of this, and what is the shear strength? So you know the shear strength of this stalk, that is here, and what is the diameter. So you can calculate the area, pi by 4 d square. Now you got the unit Newton. Okay, Newton unit you got. Now you know the RPM, and with the help of this flywheel only, because on this flywheel only the blades are mounted. So what is the you need Newton meter per second. Okay, that is joule per second. Newton meter per second means Newton meter is joule per second, and that will come as watt. Okay, so how you will get this meter per second? That is pi dn by 60. So this d and this d is different. This is diameter of the flywheel, and it is given or not? It is given as 0.27, remember this is given as radius, so multiplied by it 2. Okay, and this rpm is given as 30 divided by 60. And how many knives are there? That is 2 knives. This is given here, that's 2 cutting knives. And what is the number of stalk? Because this is for single stalk. If you are cutting the single stalk, this is the power required. Now how many stalk you are cutting? This is 30, so multiply it by 30. Okay, now you will ask what is the use of this weight of the flywheel? There is no use. So you need to understand what data is of use and what data is of no use. Okay, so I thought you understand this. Now if you will solve this equation, you will get the answer in 2 decimal point as 2.85. Near about this value you will get. So I made this video after a very long time, and I thought to cover this topic because this is very simple and small topic. If you have any doubt regarding this, then please do comment in the comment section. And the gate examination is very near. You may think that why videos are not coming, because we have covered the sufficient topics, and if you want any specific topic then you can comment. But if you will follow all the videos and previous year question, I think you can qualify for sure. And if anybody have watched from our channel and have qualified, then do share with your juniors also. And one specific request, if anybody want to make video and want us to post in our channel so that many people can see, then you can also contact us. Okay, thank you.